HealthNuts, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nikole Gonsalves, and today I am sharing a recipe with you guys that I have been teasing for quite a while now, and I'm finally sharing my secret to the world's crispiest baked chicken wings ever. I know some people grew up on like pizza night. We grew up on chicken wing night. It's like a staple in my family, and I love a good plate of chicken wings. So today I'm sharing 3 delicious flavors. We have lemon pepper, we have honey mustard, and last but not least, we have a Chinese 5-spice flavor. They're all delicious, and when it comes to shopping for ingredients, I really like to look for fresh and local, and I picked up a lot of my ingredients today from the farmer's market that I'm gonna show you guys how to pair them with these chicken wings. And for my actual chicken wings, I am using Maple Lodge Farms Fresh from the Farm line, and they're actually sponsoring and collaborating with me on today's video, which is very exciting. They are a family-run business, and their Fresh from the Farm chicken is raised on local Ontario family farms, which I love. And I'm so excited. I'm gonna share with you guys some secrets on how to make your wings super crispy by just baking them in the oven, and some really fun and flavorful flavor combinations. So before we hop in, a couple things. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. It's free. Click that button down below and you will get new videos delivered to you every single week. Another thing, if you guys have not pre-ordered my cookbook, the HealthNut cookbook, it is available for pre-order right now, and we're doing a bunch of really fun incentives this week, so check the info box down below for more information. And without further ado, let's get into making some chicken wings. All right, so first up, we have my honey mustard chicken wings. These are actually a request from my sister Chloe, who loves this flavor. So for all 3 recipes, we're using Maple Lodge Farms Fresh from the Farm chicken wings. So one of the tips to making sure your chicken is extra crispy is to make sure it's fully thawed. I also like to just pat it dry with a paper towel. And then I just have it in a bowl here. I'm gonna drizzle on some olive oil. You can actually skip the olive oil because the skin on the chicken wings will create some fat as well when they're baking up, but I like to just add a little bit, but you can omit it if you're trying to do low oil. Adding on some sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We're keeping it super simple and light for the seasoning because all the flavor is gonna come from that honey mustard sauce that we're gonna make. And then I just like to go in there with some clean hands, go in there, toss everything up so it's well coated in the oil and salt and pepper. Now that that's ready to go, I'm gonna prep a large baking sheet with a silicone liner. We actually sell these on the shop. I'll link it below. And then I like to place over top a wire rack. This is usually what you use to cool your cookies, but I like to use it for my chicken wings as well. I'm just gonna lightly grease it with some oil. Place your seasoned chicken wings evenly across the wire rack so that way they're not touching, otherwise they're not gonna get as crispy. The wire rack really helps the air and heat circulate so you get that even crispy skin. We're gonna pop that into the oven, and while that's cooking and doing its thing, I'm gonna make the sauce. So I just have a saucepan here on low heat. I'm gonna add in some honey, Dijon mustard, yellow mustard. The combination of these 2 mustards really adds a nice pop of flavor. Just a little bit of mayonnaise to get it extra creamy, Worcestershire sauce, I can never say that word, and then some onion and garlic powder. Mix it all up together until it's nice and melted. You just wanna keep the heat on low just to warm it up. I've done this where I don't even heat it up and it's still delicious, but it's just nice coming out of the oven and putting some warm sauce on the wings. This is what our wings look like once they're nice and crispy. I also turn them halfway while cooking. Now that our chicken wings are baked and crispy, I'm going to transfer them to a large bowl, pour over that honey mustard sauce, and I'm gonna toss them all together until evenly coated in that delicious sauce. I swear these wings taste like they came from a restaurant. They're so good, you would never believe that they were baked and made with a healthified sauce. And then to garnish, I just like to sprinkle on some freshly chopped green onion for some color and flavor. And you can pair it with seasonal vegetables like corn and potato. These are in season right now and available at the farmer's market in Ontario, and I am all about it. I love corn on the cob and roasted potatoes. It's so simple yet so delicious. Next up, we have my lemon pepper chicken wings. This is actually one of my favorite combinations for wings. I'm gonna do the same thing in a large bowl. I'm gonna pat my chicken dry, drizzle on some olive oil. This time we're adding a little bit of fresh lemon juice and freshly grated lemon zest. We really wanna add lots of that lemon flavor and infuse it into these wings before they bake. Season with a good pinch of salt and black pepper. You wanna go heavy on the black pepper since these are, after all, lemon pepper wings. Using clean hands, just give them a good toss until evenly coated. You're gonna prepare your baking sheet with the wire rack and just lightly oil it. Trust me, if you forget to oil it, the wings will stick and it's not a fun cleanup time. You can ask Mr. Matt. Evenly lay out the chicken wings and then pop them into the oven to bake and crisp up. As always, the full recipe and instructions will be over on my blog. A link will be down below. They are so crispy when they come out. I'm always amazed by this method. I transfer them into a large bowl and then we're just gonna finish it off with some more fresh lemon juice and lemon zest. I also like to add another pinch of some sea salt and a lot of black pepper. You just can't go wrong with adding too much black pepper in this recipe. Give them a light toss and you are ready to serve. These wings are so fresh and tangy with that lemon juice flavor, and I'm just obsessed with these. To garnish, you can grate some more fresh lemon zest. And for my sides, I have grilled zucchini and just a quick salad that I made with some mixed greens, blueberries, radish, tomatoes, cucumbers, basically everything that's in season right now, which is really awesome. Last but not least, we have my Chinese 5-spice wings. This flavor combination is so delicious, you need to try it. So same thing, we're gonna pat our chicken wings, drizzle on some olive oil. For seasoning, I have Chinese 5-spice, which has such a unique, warm and savory flavor, ground ginger, and then a good sprinkling of sea salt and ground black pepper. Matt is actually the one that got me onto Chinese 5-spice, and it's so good. He used to always add it to his stir fries when we started dating, and I've just been in love ever since with both Matt and the spice. So you're gonna toss them well so it's evenly coated with all that spice, and then we're gonna lay them on our prepared baking sheet with the wire rack. Oh, and I totally forgot to oil them, so I had to then remove the wings and oil it, but trust me, I do it all the time. Do not forget to oil your rack. This is what they look like out of the oven, super crispy and flavorful. You don't even need a sauce for these. They are so delicious and packed with flavor as is. I like to, just for fun, sprinkle them with some black sesame seeds and some fresh cilantro, which is really just for color, and it looks really good if you're serving this for a party. For sides, I have some steamed broccoli and some sauteed red pepper, as well as a really quick red cabbage slaw, and this is just such a great combination. Once again, the colors of the season right now at the farmers market is insane. Definitely take a peek at local farmers markets and just get inspired by the food that's already around you and local. So there you have it. You guys finally have my secret to making the crispiest baked chicken wings, and in 3 different flavors, which is really fun. I would love to know which one out of the 3 is your favorite that you're most excited to make tonight. You should totally make tonight like chicken wing night. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. I post every single week. We have recipes, wellness and lifestyle videos, and weekly Friday vlogs. So lots of videos for you guys to binge watch. Have an awesome day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.